Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with NECO 2019 Mathematics Past Question 23. Given the relation y is equal to qx plus 3 for every values of x and y in the table below. Now this is the table below here. For every value of what? Of x and y in the table below. Now we have to find the value q for any corresponding values of x. So find the value of q for any corresponding value of x and y. Now a says 2, b says 3, c says 6, d says 8, and e says 10. Now this is the table given to us. We have x here and we have the y here. Now these are the corresponding values. That is, when you have x is equal to minus 3, y is also minus 3. When you have x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 2, and so on. Now we are asked to find the value of q for any corresponding value of x and y, meaning we can decide to pick any corresponding value of x and y, input them into this equation here. This is a general equation given to us to find the value of what? To find the value of q, which we are looking for, to find the value of q. Now let's pick this corresponding values. That's 1 and 5. That is, x equals to 1 and y is equal to 5. Now let's input it into this equation. The equation says what? This is the equation. The equation says y is equals to qx plus 3. Now y is equals to 5, so therefore we say 5 is equal to q multiplied by x, which is 1, plus 3. And from here we have that what? We have that 5 is equals to q plus 3. Now subtract 3 from both sides. Subtract 3 from both sides. We have what? We have that q plus 3 minus 3 is equals to 5 minus 3. And so q 3 minus 3 will give us 0 is equals to 5 minus 3 will give us 2. So therefore, for any corresponding value of x and y, q will be equal to 2. And 2 here is option A. So option A is the answer to this question. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more past question videos.